Hi nerds! Welcome to our next edition of Whiteboard Wednesday. I got lucky and I'm not actually going to be teaching the class today. I enlisted Karen Roach, VTS ECC, our math whiz here at Mount Laurel Animal Hospital, to teach today's Whiteboard Wednesday session on constant rate infusions and math. Hope you're ready. I'm going to take it over to Karen now. Yay, Karen! It worked!
Yay. All right. Hi, everybody. You probably wonder, why are we talking about math on the anesthesia nerd board? Well, because you need to do math in order to do anesthesia. So today, for our example, I'm going to talk about fentanyl, which I'm sure all of you anesthesia nerds are familiar with. It's a pure mu receptor agonist. It's 50 times more potent than morphine. It's used in cats and dogs to provide profound intraoperative analgesia. And then we also use it in post-op for pain control, which is what I'm going to be talking about because I'm in ICU, so I get these post-op patients and we need pain control. So that is what we're going to talk about today. So we are going to make up a patient that weighs 23 kilograms. And one of the things we like to do here in our ICU with our constant rate infusions with things like fentanyl is we dilute them so that 1 mic per kg per hour equals 1 mil an hour. That way it makes it much easier to just titrate up and down without having to do math in the middle of the night or when you're really busy. Kind of takes some of the guesswork out of it. So we are going to start this patient at 4 mics per kg per hour, and we're going to dilute it so that that will equal 4 mils an hour. And it's not magic. It can be done, I promise. So we're going to make up enough to last for a 12-hour shift. So that means 4 times 12, our total volume is going to be 48 mils. So what we need to figure out next is how many mils of this is going to be fentanyl and how many mils of this is going to be saline diluent. So we're going to start with the weight of our patient. We're going to multiply by 4 mics per kg per hour. Sorry, I kind of ran out of room there. So our kilograms cross out and we are left with 92 mics per hour. And then we said we need 12 hours worth. So we're going to multiply here by 12, and we're going to get a little bit of a big number, but it's okay. So our hours will cross out, and we are left with 1,104 micrograms. And we know that fentanyl is 50 mics per mil. So we're going to divide this big number by 50 mics per mil. Our mics cross out and we are left with 22.08 mils. We're just going to say 28. So 28 mils of fentanyl. And then we remember our total volume is going to be 48 mils. So then we're going to do that math. Some people can probably do that in their head. So 48 minus 22 leaves us with 26 mils of saline. So we're going to fill up our syringe and we're going to set our syringe pump at 4 mils an hour. And that way, if later on in the evening, this dog seems very, very sleepy and very, very comfortable, we can then bump it down to 3 mils an hour. And because we've done this dilution, we know that that equals 3 mics per kg per hour. So it makes it very easy to just titrate up and down. And that's it, folks. It's not magic. It takes a little practice to get used to doing this kind of math. But if I can learn it, anybody can learn it, because I was a dunce years ago. And if I can learn, anybody can learn. So hit me up anytime. I'll teach you math.
Yay!
Bye, nerds.